Morning mathematicians, and welcome to Poster Method Monday. I want to remind you that mathematicians can use the solve method to solve word problems by showing and explaining their thinking. Let's read the problem together, and as we are reading, let's start visualizing and making mental pictures in our mind. Read with me. So our problem says, John and Peter are assembling a model train set. John puts down 10 red cubes for the track. Peter then puts down 7 blue and 3 green cubes for the track. What is the total number of red and blue cubes used for the track? So let's go over our steps. Our first step is to read the problem. Let's visualize what's happening. Tell someone at home what you are seeing. Our second step, we're going to read the problem again. Let's act out what's happening. Act it out with someone at home. For our third step, we're going to read the problem again. Then we're going to ask ourselves, okay, so how are we going to solve this problem? What strategy are you going to use and why? Remember to use at least 2 different strategies to show your thinking. Our fourth step, we're going to read the problem once more. Then we're going to work independently for the next 8 to 10 minutes to show our thinking. Remember to use 2 different strategies. Our fifth step, we're going to reflect. We're going to write 2 or 3 sentences on our data sheet about what we did to solve the problem. Our last step, we're going to share. We're going to share our reflections with a family member. You can share your strategies, you can share your solutions. Remember, mathematicians, to always have a goal as you are working. Whether it is to study the problem and underline the question, organize your facts by circling all important information, lining up a plan by choosing 2 different strategies, verifying your plan with the actions, and examining your results to see if your answer makes sense. Remember to always have a goal in mind when you are working. Good luck, and check back later to go over your problem.